Hey guys, this is John at Team One Automotive in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. I'm here with Alfredo. We're here to talk about liquid moly today. A lot of us use it on our personal vehicles. We're very big on it here. Alfredo, could you tell us a little bit about why liquid moly is such a good product?
Sure, absolutely. It's a pleasure. Hi, everybody. It's a pleasure being here with the Team One Automotive team. Great team here located in Tulsa. Anything performance, domestic, Asian, Euro, this is your shop. I love working with teams like them because my product represents quality, standards, values, principles. Liquid moly to me is the best product there is out there because the standards of manufacturing are so high. Most of our products are made in Germany. We import them and we bring them to compete with other products here that are lower standards, like the API standards, the American Petroleum Institute. So when people try our products, they realize that the cars perform better, especially when it's about Europeans. We have almost every single approval there is for any European. It could be Porsche, it could be Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, you name it. And when you meet the Volkswagen Audi, you also meet Lamborghinis and other high-end performance and luxury. So we have the highest quality product for you, anything you drive. There's other sectors like motorcycle, marine, boat actually in the United States, but we're representing the automotive today. So my product is superior to most qualities out there. Try it, you're gonna love it. If you're nearby here in Tulsa, come to them, visit them, set up an appointment. You're gonna love it. You're gonna fall in love with our products.
Alfredo, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming by.
It's a pleasure, man.
And thank you for the sign. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.